Well, actually, here on my channel on YouTube, here that you are sitting in on the video, Well, yes. You know, if you added it all up and graded me on a curve, you know, it's kind of how the day went. The Kelly 600, one of the big long cylinders on that bucket end of it, single action hydraulic pressure goes in that end down there, pushes that cylinder out, and then it goes back on its own account. No other piping on it. Cylinder been working good for quite some time. Unloaded several tons of gravel with it, moved around. No complaints at all. It's 1 3/4 inch size on that shaft size. But I done took it out, and you know, I done already got the seals on order. I guess it was off the shelf. I had to, you know, made the call, got them on the way. To show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I done already took that there end gland out of there, cleaned it up. But, you know, it's just your normal hydraulic cylinder sleeve. You know, it goes all the way down to it. With, you know, to be, it's got an end on it like that right there. This would be on a 4 to 8 end, a Kelly 600 type end loader. So, well, it's really nice. And I've used it for a long time and had no problem with it. It has one of these identical to it on the other side, which I haven't took apart yet. I'll show you what I found. Normally a hydraulic cylinder, I'm pretty sure now, would have a packing gland type end on it right there with some seals and a threaded bolt and all that other mechanism. This cylinder never did have that, I don't think. You know, it's been on the tractor since new, I assume. So, just saying. The thinking being is, you know, just put this one on top of that one right there, and then let that one be on top of that one, and then put that yonder on top of that other one there, and there. When you add all that up, you have a thickness is about 5 board thicknesses, 3/4 inch thick stuff.